Designed for the busy, modern family or those who simply love to entertain, our Werri offers a blend of beautiful design and functionality that is sure to appeal. The open plan design positions the dining and living spaces either side of the elegant entertainer's kitchen, making the spaces feel bigger, as well as allowing connectivity throughout the entire entertaining space. The first floor consists of 3 well-appointed bedrooms, a main bathroom, rumpus room and a large master suite situated to the rear of the home. Accompanying the master is a fully equipped wardrobe with custom joinery and a spacious ensuite, complemented by beautiful matte black tapware. The Werri design is distinctive but flexible, allowing for customisation to suit your family's needs.